The Spectrum Xumo Remote is designed for easy navigation of Spectrum's Xumo streaming platform, which offers over 250 live TV channels, on-demand content, and access to apps like Netflix and Hulu. Key functions include standard buttons for power, volume, channel control, and mute, plus a dedicated voice button for searching content using voice commands. The remote also supports gesture control on compatible devices and programmable shortcuts for quick app launches. To pair your Xumo remote, first ensure your Xumo device is powered on. Then, press and hold the pairing button located on the remote until the LED indicator begins to flash. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the pairing process. For Bluetooth models, make sure your device is in Bluetooth pairing mode. If you encounter issues, try resetting the remote by removing the batteries for 30 seconds before attempting the pairing process again. You can also use the Spectrum app for virtual remote control and troubleshooting. Beyond standard functions, the Xumo remote offers hidden features and hacks that can enhance your experience. One popular hack is pressing the 0 button twice for instant rewind functionality. Users have discovered undocumented features by experimenting with different button combinations, sometimes unlocking secret menus. Be cautious when exploring these features, as they are undocumented and may void your warranty with potential security risks for data breaches. A user community hackathon identified a hidden menu exploit by pressing specific button combinations, unlocking a debug interface for custom firmware installs. Always ensure your firmware is up to date to maintain compatibility and access to new features. You can save money by reprogramming older remotes for full compatibility instead of buying new ones. This can also be used for macro programming to automate daily routines, such as turning on lights through smart home integration.